If you can see this message, you must remain completely calm. Undertake breathing exercises, or perform calming activities. An anomaly in your area may compel you to acts of extreme violence. This anomaly is a vaguely humanoid figure, wearing yellow robes. As it enters your area, individuals such as yourself may be compelled to hurt others. If you feel an increasing compulsion to act violently, you should isolate yourself. Lock yourself in a secure room without any windows, and tell your family to leave. The compulsion to be violent will leave you, as specialists will contain the anomaly. Thank you for your attention and cooperation. Please attempt to remain calm. Secure. Contain. Protect.